Transform your AI usage into income-generating assets with Hermes Cracked for just $27. This revolutionary system employs one AI manager that builds and manages your projects, allowing you to focus on your goals without getting lost in tools. Imagine giving a simple command like create a sales page and watching as the AI executes the process, from planning to publishing. With a complete setup included, you own everything: the manager, the assets, and all your data. You no longer need to worry about technical details. This system is designed for everyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you peace of mind as you dive in. Say goodbye to feeling stuck and start building a real income asset today, with resources and community support to guide you along the way. Don't miss this opportunity to own a business that works while you sleep. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.